Meaning of Gipsy.
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 Gipsy. The term gypsy is a derogatory term used to refer to the Romani people, an ethnic group with roots in South Asia and a diaspora that spans across different regions of the world. The term is considered offensive and insensitive due to its historical association with negative stereotypes and prejudices against the Romani people. It is recommended to use the preferred term Romani or Roma when referring to this community. Using respectful language is an important step towards promoting understanding and cultural sensitivity.